Hello, hi, and namaste. Welcome to my channel Easy Tech Support. Today I'll be dealing with a small problem that we face while using MS Excel. The problem is before some able to fetch all the data and particularly this file, all the Excel file directly from the file location, that is this is located at my desktop, and I was able to, when I open, I was able to work on it. But now when I click on it, the problem is a blank screen appears and I cannot fetch the data. I cannot work on it. None of the options are usable now. But if I click on file and if I try to open my file from open recent workbooks, and this is the same file that I was trying to access, but if I open from this, see, the file opens and I can work, but when I open from the original location, I cannot open it, the blank screen appears. So to solve that problem, you need to click on file, then go to options. After that, here you can see many Excel options like formulas, proofing, save, and so on. You simply need to click on advanced. After this, there are a series of sections over here like editing options, cut, copy and paste, image size and quality, print, and so on. You just need to scroll a little more, and down there you will find a section named general. So under general, you need to make a little changes over here, like provide feedback with sound. It is unchecked for now. Keep as it is. And next is ignore other applications that use dynamic data access DDE. It is checked for now, but to solve the existing problem, we need to uncheck this problem. After that, ask to update automatic links checked. So add in user interface errors unchecked. Scale content for A4 and so on checked. And scroll down, everything looks okay. After that, you simply need to click on OK button. Close this file. Now let's have a look if the problem is solved. So I will click on this file. See, now I can fetch all the data and I can make the changes too. See, I can use all the options over here, all the features over here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.